Okay, so we've been asked to use the method of long division to divide 3x squared minus 8x plus 2x cubed plus 3 by x plus 3. So basically what we've been asked to do, or we've been asked to show, is that we know how to use the long division algorithm for algebra. So the first thing I like to do when I'm dividing or doing anything with polynomials is I like to put it in descending power order. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 8x plus 3. So that's this rewritten in descending power form. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it under a division sign. So we've got this divisor. And this is being divided by x plus 3. Now, the long division algorithm is fairly standard. If you haven't done it before, it might seem complicated, but if you watch the video a couple of times, or you attempt to do it by yourself a couple of times, or you watch a couple of different videos, hopefully it'll make sense. It doesn't change, it's the same every time, so it's just getting a hang of the actual steps process. So let's go ahead and do this one. The first step is we're going to divide the first number here, so 2x cubed, by the first number in our divisor, so x. So we go 2x cubed divided by x, and that's equal to 2x squared. Then I go, once we've done that, we go, well, that's all well and good. We get 2x squared, we times it by x, and we get back what we just divided. So that's going to be 2x cubed. We then get 2x squared and we times it by 3. And so we go 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared. So plus 6x squared. And then what we do is we take what we've just found away from the two numbers just above it. So 2x squared take 2x squared, 2x cubed, sorry, take 2x cubed is 0. 3x squared take 6x squared is negative 3x squared. And then what we do is we bring down the next number. So in this case it's negative 8x, so minus 8x. Okay, I'll use a different colour for the next step. So again, what we do is instead of working up here, we're now going to work down here. We get the first number, and then we divide it by the first number, like we did before. So negative 3x squared divided by x is going to be negative 3x. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go negative 3x multiplied by x is equal to negative 3x squared. Then we're going to go negative 3x multiplied by positive 3 is negative 9x. And then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract this from the numbers above it. And we're left with, well, negative 3x squared minus, so plus 3x squared is 0. Negative 8x minus, so plus 9x is equal just to positive 1x. Cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring down the 3. Plus 3. And then we're going to go, okay, 1x divided by x is equal to 1. Then we're going to multiply. So we've got 1 times x is 1x. 1 times 3 is 3. And we're going to subtract this away. So 1x take 1x is 0. 3 take 3 is 0. So what we can say is that 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 8x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1.